How to format your Vivo mobile or any other mobiles. It's one of the way. See this video completely. So open your settings. So open your more settings or additional settings. So first you can open settings and next more settings, next backup and reset. Next open erase all data. So format phone storage. Enable format phone storage. And press clear now. OK. Yes, now erasing all datas. Wait few minutes. So don't touch any buttons and physical buttons. Already notice your charger is fully or minimum or 70 or 80%. So waiting for few minutes. So welcome FunTouch OS. Set up your phone. Already you are remove your SIM cards from your SIM tray. So don't install this app for V App Store. So now use your mobile. It's new from out of the box or new mobile. First you can check your storage for total 128 GB, available 114 GB. And next you will check for your Android version and security patch level. So Android Pie and security patch level 15 2020. That's all, it's a new phone. Thank you for watching.